I'm Jim Monroe. I'm a senior application developer for Veracity Solutions. Primarily a .NET developer. I've worked with the full stack. I've been developing for quite a number of years, so I have a lot of various skills. But lately I've been working with the mean stack, which is Angular, JavaScript, Express, Mongo, and doing mostly microservices. I like to do things like dancing. I read a lot, play video games, spend a lot of time with my family whenever I'm not, working extra hours. Everything. It's all growing. It's all changing on a day-to-day basis. Years ago, I would never have thought that I can actually build a full enterprise-level application in JavaScript, but nowadays I can because of the way the technology has advanced and grown. The fact that the phones are getting more powerful and you can actually do more with those interacting. Eventually, I want to be able to use my phone to build an application. And once I can get to that point, then I know technology is finally caught up with my ideas. I'm passionate about the industry I'm in. The job that I do is my passion. I love to build things. I love to build applications. I love to produce solid solutions for clients. I love to build teams. So I love working with different people and different teams. I love building out that interaction, so that other people can actually build the teams and build the applications themselves as well. I'm an engineer, so I build applications for a living. But I don't consider it just building applications, because when you're building an application, you're doing it with a team. And if you build it with a team and you build the team up as well as the application, everybody reaches the same level of competency, and you build a really good application for the clients. So the end game is to make sure the clients are totally happy with what you build. That's my result. That's what I really like to do. I have a very short learning curve. I pick things up very quickly, and I am good at solving problems. So, another thing I'm good at is visualizing a solution to a problem. So if somebody tells me something that they need, I can actually see the picture of what they're looking for and then build it out from that point. I prefer to try to make friends with people. I try to, share knowledge. I try to engage them and get them to make as much decisions as possible. So I want to be a part of their team, and I want them to feel like I'm a part of their team. I don't want them to feel like I'm a consultant that's coming in and taking over. I want them to feel like I'm actually a part of their team. Intentionally focus on being positive, focus on the bigger picture, try to look at the various pieces and make sure that I understand what I'm doing and who I'm doing it with, and just stay focused on the end game, which is building a quality product for the client. I've been building lately a multi-level marketing application to replace existing applications that do enrollment and do e-commerce type activities using latest technologies. So we're using Angular 4 and we're using microservices, all within the mean stack. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. The most fulfilling project, I worked on a project for a year and a half translating an old application from .NET to Angular. It was fulfilling, and there was a lot of challenges along the way building this application. Overall, the product came out good, and the clients were very happy with the results, and I got to learn a ton along the way. So that's one of my things.